guys, I think you're freshers. I see that you all have different dreams. In Vignan, your dreams are given wings. Come, I'll show you the university. The best thing about Vignan that I love is the large and beautiful campus. There is greenery all over and there are lots of places where we can just sit and talk.
What are the add-on courses that our university provides, and what about the faculty?
Vignan University provides various add-on courses to give the students an edge in this competitive world. Among these are CAT, GRE, Java and SAP programs.
Most of our faculty hails from NITs and IITs, including the PhDs. They are not only our professors, but also our mentors, guides and very good friends.
We are on par with IITs and NITs. In fact, we are in the same league. Our examination papers are set by senior IIT professors and the syllabus itself is based on the standards of IITs and NITs.
We have introduced the faculty mentorship program where faculty from IITs and good institutions, they come to Vignan University and then motivate our faculty and students for a period of about say 4 to 5 days.
Vignan offers 4 minor degree programs in the form of Humanities, Management, Electronics and IT. The minor degree runs parallel with the main degree. The idea here is to create professional leaders rather than churning out ordinary employees.
Library is the most essential part of any institution. What are the facilities our library provides to its students?
Why don't you see it yourself? It's really a paradise. Hi Bhanu.
Hi Uma.
My friend Bhanu will show you our library.
Come on.
The Vignan Library is a temple of learning for students. It is aesthetically built in an octagonal shape with beautiful interiors. Let me show you more, but before that, keep quiet. This is the main hall where everyone enjoys reading newspapers, magazines and other journals. The main reading area provides a quiet, non-disturbing atmosphere for the students to concentrate on their studies.
In Vignan, we are made industry ready with the state-of-art labs and workshops. We are trained under experienced faculty as per the industry requirements, and this keeps us ahead of others.
We conduct all the laboratories using thin client technology, and this technology is the latest one.
We give utmost importance to offer hands-on experience to the students using latest equipment. So we have advanced laboratories with all the required equipment, and also we have an incubation center in embedded systems, latest laboratories in DSP, ECAD, VLSI and other important areas.
In engineering, practicals are more important in addition to the theoretical classes. In our university, we have industry-oriented equipment and softwares to train the students with respect to the industry standards. In 4th year, we used to send the students to the internships to the multinational companies.
Hey Praveen, you didn't tell us about your dream. What do you want to become?
యాక్చువల్గా నేను తెలుగు మీడియం బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ నుంచి వచ్చాను. మాది ఒక రూరల్ ఏరియా. నేను ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడగలనా లేదా అనేది కొంచెం డౌట్గా ఉండేది నాకు. అండ్ నాకు చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి సైంటిస్ట్ అవ్వాలని కోరిక, కానీ ఈ కాలేజ్ వాళ్ళతో నేను సెట్ అవ్వగలనా లేదా అనేది కొంచెం భయంగా ఉండేది.
తిన్ని కలు తిను వేణు నీలాగానే రూరల్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ నుంచి వచ్చాడు, కానీ మన కాలేజ్లో చాలా పర్సనాలిటీ డెవలప్మెంట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్, సాఫ్ట్ స్కిల్స్ ల్యాబ్స్, దానివల్ల లాంగ్వేజ్ని పర్సనాలిటీని చాలా డెవలప్ చేసుకున్నాడు. నువ్వేం భయపడకు.
నేను విజ్ఞాన్ యూనివర్సిటీలో చేరకముందు నాలో నైపుణ్యాలు నాకు తెలిసేవి కాదు, కానీ 4 ఏళ్లలో నేను చాలా నేర్చుకున్నాను. Now I am the editor of our college magazine. It helped me a lot to get placed in LIC.
Hi, I'm Shweta. I'm one of the editors of Voice of Vignan, Vignan University's in-house newsletter, which ranges a variety of topics.
Voice of Vignan helped me to grow as an individual in course of time. I started my career as a contributor, and now I'm one of the 3 editors of this magazine.
Studies may really get tough, but we always have someone to share our problems with. We at Vignan have personal counselors to counsel us throughout the year.
I like the university and the labs are also very good, but I want to become a cricketer. My parents wants me to do engineering, but the dream that I must become a cricketer can't be fulfilled.
Don't be sad. In Vignan, both education and sports are given the equal importance. You need not to sacrifice your dreams for education.
Sports is an integral part of our Vignan University. We are a competitive bunch. We have won many state and national level competitions.
At Vignan University, we concentrate on 4 aspects. Number 1, excellent teaching learning process. Number 2, a good training. Number 3, civil services training and also social values.
The clubs provide an important platform for students to nurture their talent and follow their heart without compromising on their studies.
Hi, this is Pooja. I'm a hostler at Vignan. The hostel is beautiful with spacious corridors and playgrounds to play. We have lots of fun and now we are like a big family. The hostel has 24/7 Wi-Fi connection with which we can access all the study material that we need, and this makes me feel like home.
Hi, I'm Aditya from CSE. We have round-the-clock Wi-Fi facilities in our hostel which helps us in downloading journals and study materials. We have a lot of fun in our hostel. I'm lucky to be in a hostel which provides us such good facilities. This is my home now.
It's not only the technical aspect that is being looked into. We want to train the people with social consciousness. The country needs people who can understand the problems of the society, who knows the human values, who respect them. That's why it's not only in teaching the engineering subjects that is very important to us, it's training the people in development of personality. That's why we take a lot of care in training the people in soft skills. Our students can speak well, they understand the social problems, respond to the social events with a lot of responsibility as a citizen. So this is all what we do.
Vignan University is offering a 6-month internship program for all its students. Anybody who wishes to work for 1 full semester in the final year can go to industries all over India and abroad so that they can acquire certain skills which are required for employment.
Vignan, with its state-of-art library, has given me an opportunity to aim high in the life. The visionary Chancellor, Dr. Lavu Rattaya, has motivated me to aspire for civil services.
Hi friends, this is Praveen from Kalpakam, working as scientist in nuclear industry. 7 scientists are there from the 2000 batch. I can say proudly all fulfilled by Vignan. Whatever the faculty, labs, facilities, library, everything is wonderful.
Hi friends, my name is Shekhar Shah. Currently I am working as an engineering officer in BOC India Limited. It's a member of Linde Group. all the credits goes to Vignan University.
Hi, I'm Chirandeep and I'm from the National College of Ireland. I work as the Head of Operations in NCI India office. The National College of Ireland and Vignan University have a Memorandum of Understanding. It's a matter of pride to actually inform you that two students from Vignan University, Suraj and Hemant, who transferred to the third year in National College of Ireland, actually achieved laurel in the National College of Ireland. They did the internship in Ultan Technologies and were the winning team members in Docklands Innovation Park Annual Award in 2011. Because of the skills and technical knowledge the students carried from Vignan University. So what's really appreciable over here is the kind of education students receive in Vignan University, which could not only be contemporary but could also be cutting edge in terms of the appreciable knowledge.
Vignan University will really help the students to undergo the training, and thereby their employability is going to be improved a lot.
Providing quality education at affordable prices for over 3.5 decades and having 40,000 students, I think we don't need to say anything more than that. 40,000 students is a testimony to, they are standing testimony to the group.
For every Vignanite, Mahotsav is a special affair. Mahotsav is our annual youth festival and a mega event in which more than 25,000 students from all the corners of the nation participate. The whole event is by the students, for the students and to the students. For 3 days, we celebrate and enjoy the festivities. There are sports, cultural events like music and dance, and many technical competitions. Believe me, this is a place where we want to be on a new year.
Not Lakshmi Devi, it is Saraswati Devi domination. It is not Tata, Birla, or Dhirubhai Ambani or Singhani. It is Premji, it is Narayana Murthy, it is Ratayas and such people who are having that value today.
Organizing this Vignan Mahotsav is actually trying to bring out the leadership qualities in each one of you. Leaders don't do different things, but they do things differently.
I think I'm floored by this college. Spectacular on it.
మన సంకల్పం ఎంత గట్టిగా ఉంటే ఎంత పెద్దదైతే విశ్వం అంత పెద్దదిగా దృశ్యం అంత పెద్దదిగా ఉంటుంది.
Leader, as an entrepreneur, as a successful professional, the most important thing is you have to have motivation within you and you have to sustain the motivation. You have to take it as a challenge and be successful.
This you are not going to get back at any cost. 86,400 seconds in a day. Are you going to go through the day? Are you going to get something from the day? That you have to ask yourself. Whatever the soft skill learning that you want to do, please, this is an experiment, this is the laboratory right now. Try and experiment and then imbibe those soft skills within you so that you'll be able to be successful.
సమాజంలో చాలా ప్రమాదకరమైనటువంటి శక్తి, దేశాన్ని ప్రపంచాన్ని మార్చగలిగినటువంటి శక్తి యువశక్తి.
Progress in technology is exponential, not linear, and information technology is increasingly encompassing all our lives, from our music, to our manufacturing, to our biology, to our energy, and to our materials. So do look forward to this amazing future.
You all recently heard about Sachin Tendulkar's stepping down, his retirement and things like that. You might think, oh, he's the most talented batsman. He had it all coming. He had it all laid out on a platter. No, he earned it. He earned it because he really worked hard for it.
Scholarships worth rupees 50 lakhs are provided to meritorious students who excel in their academics. Fee concessions up to 100% are given to students who secure top ranks in VSAT and NEET.
Vignan University is accredited by NBA and NAC with A grade and also certified by ISO. All this accreditation and certification is because of the good practices, excellence in education and excellence in placements and also the facilities and especially the quality of the student output.
At the end, it is worth to quote Vivekananda. This earth is enjoyed by the heroes. Vignan is producing that kind of heroes. Welcome to Vignan. Feel the difference of the spirits of the people and the spirits of the environment and the spirits of the relations. Welcome.
Choosing a university may be difficult.
But now, Vignan shows you what to expect from your future.
Vignan stands for global standards and Indian values.
Come to Vignan and experience a wonderful college life.